Hi friends, welcome to Microlearning platform. Do you know there is an industry which has been completely changed our both work and daily life? Do you know which is the smartest career choice and the most in-demand skills in the world? Do you know how employees in this industry they learn and get their job? Let's see a brief introduction about this industry. It is going to be a little interest and please listen to it. There is an industry which has completely changed both our work and daily life. Yes, it's software industry. Software has become an integral part of both work and daily life. Now it is very difficult to remember your world without software. Do you believe that? Yes, it is true actually. Software is there in all industries: healthcare, automobile, airlines, manufacturing, retail, military, space science, agriculture, hospitality, tourism, entertainment. Everywhere you can see software. Software is there in almost all gadgets and electronic and electrical devices that we use today. And they have been around us for decades. Of course, we know that it is there in the computers, laptops, tablets and smartphones, but it is also there in home appliances like AC, TV, fridge, oven, washing machines, dishwashers, etc. So software has made the impossible into possible and laborious task fast and easy. Software market is now $300 billion industry that serves millions of companies across the globe. This is from a street vendor to a multinational corporations and every type of business in between. So what is really software? It is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and to execute specific tasks. Software is a generic term used to refer applications and programs that run on a device. When we talk about computer programs, there is so many computer programming languages are there to write the code and to compile it and to implement it in different devices. And if you see the evolution of programming languages, which has been started from 1956 with Fortran, and Gopal in 1959, and C in 73, SQL in 74, Basic in 75, and Perl in 87, Python in 89, Java in 94, and Ruby in 95. Each of these programming languages has its own strength, flexibility, and usage. Do you know which is the smartest career choice and most in-demand skills in the world? According to demand, salary expectations and career review, software engineer is the #1 best job in US, also in the rest of the world as well. It is one of the most in-demand skills in the world, and American software engineers earn a median salary of $112,000 per annum. So there are more than 10 million software engineers worldwide and over 1 million software engineers employed in the US geography alone. The Bureau of Labor Statistics even projected a 30% employment growth in the software development field by 2026. The more advanced your skill set is, the more opportunity you will get to work in the various types and domains within the software industry. These includes are not limited to web development, mobile app development, standalone applications development, back-end development, APIs, plugins, games development, embedded systems and data science, security, cloud computing, and much more. Since the rate of change is very fast in all the software domains, software engineers spend more time learning than any other professionals. Almost 48% of the software engineers said they recently updated their skills. Recently they learned new skills, compared to 36% among all other professionals. Do you know how software developers are learning? Some of them are learning through institutions, college, online, on-job, or combination of all these options. The interesting fact is 69% of developers say they are self-taught and 25.5% of them are learning through online courses. This is where the platform like Microlearning provides great opportunity to learners to learn new IT skills. If you really want to be a part of an incredible, in-demand and rewarding field, especially in today's competitive job market, then you are at the right place to prepare yourself for a wonderful professional career. So now that you have understood the opportunities in software industry, and you're probably ready to dive into a new career in the IT industry, it is time to get learning. Welcome to Software Development course. You will learn here almost all programming languages, application softwares, system softwares, graphics and animations, e-learning, testing, QA, open source and proprietary platforms, and the entire process of software development lifecycle from start to end, from planning to implementation. So we can help you find the IT career of your dreams. Do you have any questions? Please feel free to write it in comment section below. So wish you all the best and success in your career. Happy learning and enjoy this course anytime, anywhere, using any devices. Bye for now and see you again in the next microlearning video. Thank you so much. All the best.